Mr. George Lamont called me and said, Sapphire, will you do me a favor and come perform at a school that I attended many years ago? Porque estamos ya viejos, ya saben. Pero no viejo porque todavía, tú sabes, we still got style, right? So he called me and goes, Sapphire, then he said, will you come down and perform? I said, where? He goes, in the Bronx. I said, wait a minute, where Freestyle live? He said, absolutely. I said, you know what, I wouldn't miss this for anything in the world. Especially that it's going for all the kids. I think it's very important as an artist myself, and believe me, I grew up in East Harlem, but born in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Mucho puertorriqueño, ¿verdad? Como la canción dice, Puerto Rico! Puerto Rico! But anyway, like I was saying, so you know, it's pretty funny because he asked me and I said, you know what, for the kids, anything for the kids, always. So to me, this next song, slow down the pace and I'm going to do it Spanglish. So this next song, I want to dedicate it to all the beautiful kids from the school, okay? And it's called Thinking of You. This song was #1 for about 12 weeks in New York City. So I owe it all to you guys because you guys are the ones that always keep Sapphire alive after 26 years.